we go from south to north, and more north again, because we are following the blooming of the plant. It's a race against time. Elderflower blooms only 1 or 2 days. It's blooming from early May until mid of June. It's a fragile plant, so it's very important to collect them when it's ready. Always we take care of them.
The extract of elderflower is produced by maceration. The flower are put in contact with the hot water. The macerator turns, so we have the extraction process, and what we obtain is a pure 100% natural infusion of elderflower.
The hero in the bottle are the elderflowers, because they give a lot of fruitiness and a lot of freshness to the liqueur. We have a lot of citrus on the nose, grapefruit and pear and passion fruit and more like tropical fruit, which make it an incredible cocktail ingredient.
What is interesting for me is that there is no a connotation masculine or feminine. It's really something that could be, everybody appreciate it.
Santé.